Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to do meshing on a cell pressure vessel. So let's start. We are going to put mesh here, import geometry. Okay, double click on mesh. Okay, so our main objective for this tutorial will be generating quadrilateral mesh and so using that size function. Local mesh control, there we will do face sizing and inflation. So okay, what now we are going to see unit is same metric. Okay, so our main focus will be refining mesh nearby these areas. Okay, then what we will do first, we will check global mesh property here. So element size we are going to put 50 mm. Go to sizing, capture curvature, yes, capture proximity, this is also we are going to put yes. Okay, now we are going to generate mesh. So now you can see mesh has been generated, and we are going to quality here, mesh metric element. Okay, control update reset. So you can see the element matrix. So here it is also having try element also. So now we are going to insert method, select all, apply, and multi-zone, and here surface mesh method we are going to put uniform. Free face mesh type we are going to change it to all quad, and we will keep the same size of element, that is 50 mm. Okay, now we are going to so now you can see in this mesh it contains 100% quadrilateral elements. So we have to see the quality. So our main interest was refining these area and also this one. So we will improve quality by doing local sizing. So we are going to insert sizing, select face from here, apply. So here we are going to change this element size to 15 mm, and behavior we are going to make hard. Okay, update. So here we can see element quality 0.13, it's also not up to the mark, and we are going to display type to element quality, and we are going to make this element quality to none. Okay, so here we can see the quality of mesh. So we want to refine this all these areas. Then what we are going to do, insert inflation, apply boundary. We are going to select these two boundary. We are going to select first, apply. Here we are going to put how much age we should put here, 5, and growth rate we can reduce to 1.1, and so here inflation option we can change it to total thickness. So total thickness we are going to take 70 mm. Okay, this is done. Then we are going to insert sizing. So in inflation we are going to, we have added 2. So inflation we have to select more age. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Apply. Okay, now in sizing we are going to first divide these two. Number of divisions. So here divisions we are going to put 50. Okay. And here behavior from soft to hard. Same thing we are going to do for the rest 3-1. Change type number of divisions. Here we are going to put 35. Soft to hard. Okay. Clear generated data. Generate mesh. So here we can see like we have refined the area, like it is having inflation, and also we have refined this mesh. Okay, that was all about the meshing. Okay, thank you.